In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft 365 account using Bing Maps and Microsoft services. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. First, open your preferred web browser and start by navigating to your search engine. In the search bar, type Microsoft 365 and hit enter. This will present you with several options. Make sure to select the result that says Office 365 Login. Click on it, and it will take you to the login page for Microsoft 365. Once on the page, locate the Create an Account option. Clicking this link is your entry point for establishing a new Microsoft 365 account. You will be prompted to enter your email address here. Ensure that the email you provide is valid and accessible because it'll be crucial for account verification purposes. After typing in your email, click on the Next button to continue. The platform will now ask for a verification code. Check your email inbox for this code and enter it in the space provided. This step is essential to ensure the security of your new account. When you've provided the correct code, you'll be directed to fill in some personal information. Here, specify your country or region and your birth information. Choose your birth month from a drop-down menu, followed by selecting your exact birth date, and finally type in your birth year. After entering this information, hit the Next button. You will then need to provide your first and last name. This information helps personalize your account, making it uniquely yours. Once you've filled in the required fields, click Next once again. Next, you'll see an option related to account security, offering the chance to set up a passkey. You can either create one now or opt to skip it and proceed to the next steps. You'll notice the screen highlighting certain options now, and it's time to press and hold the button before moving on. Clicking OK on the following prompt will carry you forward. The following screens may prompt you to take additional steps or confirmations, so be sure to click Next until you reach the final setup stages. When prompted, select Get Started, and just like that, your Microsoft 365 account is fully set up and ready to use. Congratulations, you made it through the entire process, and your Microsoft 365 account is now live and ready for use. With this account, you can explore a wide variety of tools and services Microsoft offers, from productivity apps to cloud storage solutions. Enjoy!